fainted, can't move at all. Butter also helps lubricate. Let's try. Soap will help lubricate, making it easier to slide down. Ooh, the spoiled rice has been sitting too long. It smells awful. So funny. Pour water on yourself to lubricate. Honey also helps lubricate.